got a work order where they say the dryer is making a horrible noise. After listening to it, they're definitely not wrong. Kill the power, then take 2 screws out of the lint canister, 2 clips hold the top on, and 2 more screws that hold the face on. Disconnect the door switch and remove the belt from the belt tensioner. And you can definitely tell one of the wheels has gone out. Normally I would replace both of these rollers, but we did not have this wheel in stock. Head to the shop, take a look and see what we have for donors, and we have a different model dryer with the same exact wheel. Get back on site, clean it up a little bit, install the wheel, the triangle, and the support bracket. Reinstall the drum, get the door put back on, and these 2 screws put back in place. It's very important not to forget the door switch, slam the hood, and reinstall the 2 screws. Give it power, and now the noise is gone. This was all the waste that was created. And we're going to be done with this and on to the next project.